Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you there, bust my brain every night and day. Daddy, where they pamper, daddy, where they bless. Forever, you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I'll see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. Daddy, where they power, daddy, where they bless. Forever, you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees. Now you will be the best. Daddy, where the pamper, daddy, where the bless.
Hey guys, we're making momo. Let's run through the ingredients. This is egg. This is crayfish. No momo without crayfish. This is salt. These are scotch bonnet pepper. This is onion. This is stock cube. This is palm oil. And this is vegetable oils. Yes, I'm going to mix the two together to achieve the required result. This is the star of the moment, the star of the show. This is Chinorish Foods beans flour. This is the one and only beans flour that you need in your life to ease yourself of stress of washing and washing and washing and separating beans from the chaff. So what you need to just do is to rush to Chinorish Foods at Instagram, on Instagram rather. Then order for your beans flour from Chinorish. Then this is how you're going to do it, very easy like I'm doing. Just scoop your flour, then add your ingredients. Here I'm adding blended crayfish, pepper and onions. Then add my stock cube and no stress at all. Add salt, then turn. Stir. Add you know I'm using warm water. That's what I normally use to mix my mama. Comment them below if you use any other water, maybe room temperature water or cold water to mix your beans flour. Then I'm adding the palm oil that I showed you earlier, so to get the required color. Then adding the vegetable oil, like I told you, two of them I'm going to make use of it, as you can see here. So this is how I make my momo. It doesn't take much time. Added additional palm oil so that the color of the momo can pop. Since I'm not using shombo, that's red pepper that changes the color of moimo, is not available in my house. Like I told you, this is a sharp moimo. It's not like I'm cooking it for so many people. It's just few plates that we're going to use this very moment for custard. So that's what I'm preparing. This is one advantage of having a beans flour in your house. You can just wake up and say, oh, I want to do moimo. PM, you do your moimo without wasting much time. And this is me transferring the moi moi, already mixed moi moi into the moi moi plate. Then I'll be doing it till I get the moi moi mixture finishes. So this is it. You can wake up in the midnight and say I want to do moi moi. You do it as long as you have your Chinorish beans flour in the house. You don't need to worry. There's no need for you to be suffering and maybe racking your brain. How am I going to wash these beans? Time that you would have used to do some valid things, you now use it to wash only beans. So please, we are taking the stress away from you. Just rush down to our Instagram handle at Chinorish food underscore foods. Chinorish underscore food. I will put it on the screen as I'm mentioning it. Chinorish underscore foods. Rush there, make your order. We deliver nationwide, wherever you are. Worldwide instead. We deliver worldwide. Wherever you are, we can deliver your beans flour to your doorstep. You don't need to worry. And if you are ordering more than 5, we are going to share the delivering cost. Yes, we're not going to leave the delivery cost on you alone. If you are ordering more than 5 kg of this or if you're ordering up to 5 kg, we're going to share the delivery cost into two. So I'm done scooping the transferring the momo into the plate. So this is the momo on inside the pot, ready to be, to go on fire for cooking or steaming. I've turned on the gas cooker, so this is the momo chilling on fire, and very soon it's okay. Voila, it's ready. So this is our momo. It's very very easy. So if somebody, if somebody heard that you made momo, the person would think that you have done a whole lot of work without knowing that you did not do anything. Just for you to just, you know, mix your beans flour, add the necessary ingredients that you have in the house, and just like that, moi moi is ready. So many of us, I know that so many people like eating moi moi, but the hassle of washing beans is always a problem. So that's what She Nourish does for you. So rush down to our Instagram handle and make your order now. Thank you very much for your anticipated patronage. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.